In our model, the beads is the glucose molecules, the poker chips is the insulin molecule, the eraser is GLUT4, and this is the insulin receptor. In a properly functioning body, the insulin receptors accept the insulin, which then sends a signal to GLUT4, which then combines with the cell membrane, which allows glucose to enter the cell. Diabetes, the pancreas stops producing insulin, which means there is no insulin to attach to the insulin receptors and to signal GLUT4. So that means their glucose cannot enter the cell. Most type 1 diabetes is usually genetic. So what most patients use to help type 1 diabetes is inject insulin into the bloodstream to make up for the lack of insulin in the blood.
In type 2 diabetes, insulin is produced, but the insulin receptors are desensitized, so it doesn't let the insulin into the cell or glucose. And because of that, it doesn't signal GLUT4 from the vesicle to come over. So there is an increase in insulin and in glucose in the bloodstream, and injection shots can help, but it isn't as effective in type 2 diabetes.
This video is brought to you by Jerry, the diabetic squirrel.